In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OneDrive shortcuts in Microsoft 365. Whether you're managing personal files or collaborating on group projects, utilizing shortcuts in OneDrive can streamline your workflow and help you access your shared content more efficiently. Let's dive in and explore how you can do this easily within Microsoft 365. First things first, start by logging into your Microsoft account. Navigate to the Microsoft account login page and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your personalized dashboard. This step ensures you have secure access to all of your Microsoft 365 apps. Now, locate the app launcher, which resembles a grid of small squares in the upper left corner of your screen. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu featuring all available Office apps. Here is where OneDrive makes its entrance. Click on the OneDrive icon. OneDrive is your central hub for managing files across multiple devices, and accessing it is as easy as a single click. Once OneDrive opens, you'll see your files and folders displayed. Here's where the magic of organization truly starts to come to life. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see an icon labeled Shared. Click on the Shared icon. This view provides you with all the folders and files shared with you by others. It's a perfect way to keep track of all collaborative efforts within your network. Next, you'll want to select a folder that has been shared with you. By clicking on a specific folder, you're telling OneDrive that this is the content you're interested in accessing more readily. This choice will be important as we move forward to add shortcuts. Once you've selected a folder, look for the option that says Add Shortcut to My Files. By clicking this, you're essentially creating a direct pathway to the shared folder, now housed in your own My Files area. This shortcut acts much like a bookmark, making it easy to access the content right from your primary OneDrive view without hunting through multiple folders. After you've added the shortcut, go back to My Files. This is your personal workspace in OneDrive where all your content resides or is linked, and now includes the newly added shortcut. Take a look and you'll see the folder you selected is now prominently displayed here. And just like that, congratulations, you've successfully added a OneDrive shortcut. This folder will now appear in your My Files section, offering you immediate access whenever you need it. By creating these shortcuts, you've optimized your OneDrive experience, making it quicker and easier to collaborate and manage your shared files. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing with OneDrive in Microsoft 365.